Paras. I've been playing drums for around 3 to 4 years now. I currently use the Collision 5B drumsticks. These are probably some of the best drumsticks I've used. They got a very nice feel when touching. The weight's consistent between the two drumsticks, and they're made of a very nice material as well when compared to other major brands. It's a nice company as well. The whole endorsement process has been a pleasure to take part on. I currently play in a band called Initial Destruction. We're a thrashcore, so basically thrash metal and metalcore band who've released quite a few songs and have some in process, such as Vendetta, which is now on Spotify and basically all streaming services. The snippet of the drum video I'm about to show is a unreleased original song called Sharp on the Bone, and yeah, I hope you like it.